told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Well, as you can see, I'm not in the garage working on the bike as of yet. I am actually out just taking in this beautiful, beautiful fall day. I'm over here in a named community in the city of Detroit called Indian Village. And I'm just hanging out at one of my favorite coffee shops called Red Hook. Now, let's get right to it. This morning, I took the bike out. And as you can tell from the intro, when I got to the garage the other morning, the bike was on the ground. Apparently, I had it sitting on this jack, and the jack had a slow leak in it, and apparently through the night, the bike fell. It didn't damage anything. One of the turn signals, actually the left turn signal, that was the only damage I got to the bike, and there was a little bit of scratching on the fairing. But other than that, the bike is fine. This will be the third part in the series, Project 2000 Katana 750, and today I'm going to ride the bike. Yeah, I'm still waiting on the parts to come in. I ordered a neutral safety switch off of eBay, and I ordered some sync gauges off of Amazon, and I just checked my Amazon update tracking, and it said those gauges will be here sometime today before 8 p.m. Good luck on that, right? Once I had checked the compression, and the compression numbers were good, I just couldn't wait anymore, so I got out this morning, and I took the bike for about a 10 or 15 minute ride and it actually performed quite well. Now, like I say, I do have the sync gauges coming today, and I want to synchronize those carburetors, but the bike is performing, and some of the things I thought was wrong with the bike just aren't true, going from the owner's description of the bike. So yeah, I took it out this morning, and like I say, I was quite surprised. Now, the first thing I noticed when I got on the bike and actually started riding, right away I could tell that the tires do need to be replacing. They were manufactured in December of 2003. I already knew they needed to be replaced, but actually riding the bike, you can feel the roughness of the tires. I mean, they're pretty old. And also, as a result of riding the bike, I'm going to have to get the front forks rebuilt. They're in bad shape. I could tell because I took a look at them, but when I rode the bike, I could really feel the stiffness in the front suspension because those forks needed to be, they need to be rebuilt. Overall, the bike rode phenomenal. As you can see in the video, and I'm sorry about the quality of the video. I left the clear sticker on the lens, and then plus I was having a problem with the glare from the sun, so please forgive me. Now, I ran the bike through all 6 gears, and the transmission performed beautifully. One thing I didn't expect, I thought maybe I might have had some transmission issues by the bike sitting so long. But no problems with the transmission at all. I mean, I went through all gears, and it shifted smoothly. It went into reverse smoothly. I didn't have any false neutrals. The bike just really ran well. Cornering the bike wasn't so great, like I say, once again, because of the forks. The one thing I really dislike about that bike in its present state is that D&D exhaust. I don't know if it's because of the motor size, but I'm not impressed with that exhaust, and that is one thing that will probably come off in the future. My particular Katana 750 is rated at 93 horsepower, and it has a lot of power, but like I say, the guy did say he had the engine rebuilt, but he didn't tell me what year it was, so I don't know. But as far as the power is concerned, that bike has plenty of power for a bike that has been sitting for 15 years. Oh, and one more thing. In part 2 in my comments, a viewer stated that I never told you guys how many miles this bike has on it to be a 20-year-old bike. The bike has 9,500 miles on it. Now, I don't know, like when the motor blew, I don't know how many miles he had on it before the motor blew up and he had it rebuilt. And I don't know how many miles he put on that motor after it was rebuilt. But right now, currently as it stands, it's about 9,500 miles on that bike. And that is not bad, especially if the motor was rebuilt. Am I having second thoughts on keeping the bike? Yeah, kind of, sort of. Alright guys, this has just been a short, brief video of what's going on with the bike. So if this is your first time to my channel, this would be a perfect time to subscribe. To keep up with the progress of the bike and the several different parts I'm doing on Project 2000 Katana 750. I want you to guys stay safe and stay blessed. Solo Black 313, rise and ride, and I'll catch you the next time.
As you fade away, you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same.